Munini wa Governor County ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi Kilonzo ni wenda atongwe onthe mama kanisa kwithwa na ulungalu nthini wa uthukumi aimukatha mututia Pope Francis ta muthukumi eyumitie na kwithwa ngelekanyo nzio kwi atongoi nthi yonthe ingi. Mwangangi ni wenda atongwe onthe ba ukamba kweka kukitana mo kwa ene ateo masisie maundu ma maendeleo na utongoi mwailu. Ane na ki kanisa ni wa Katoliki St. Mary's Tala nthini wa chathi cha Mboya sia kuma sia ula muvea munene wa kanisa wa Kutala kana father in charge wa Tala David Muvaa na ula ukwatie uthamisio. Boni mutesia no kutovingo ya vilingi na ilivoti.
Santi. Amen.
Thionthe na muno ati mandini ya kikatoliki maende na umeta kigucha ulai mungami munene wa makanisa makatoliki munini wa Governor County ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi ni wamenda tongo ikwithwa ngelekanyo nzio na kuthukuma na ulungalu na kuatia makinya Pope Francis aiweta kana mwithianu na utongoi wake ndwi na maguku na tongo imaelete kutsukuma maundu moene ateo mathukumeke lo ni cha gutethia mwene nthi.
2015 he came to Kenya na he's a very good president. His holiness, like Pope, talked about. In Kenya, ni atoko yeloko Kongo ile. Wanaona katika dunia. Ujikia gaite. Ujikia mziwa kumbe. Ujikia kama kumbe. Hiki ambalo usaa kumbe zaidi. Selfless leadership which is accountable and transparent. Point number 2 was about evangelism and why we need to continue working with the church. I commend him because the then president was present, 1 as the head of government and 2 as a Catholic. Today, as Christians, are we living up to those virtues? The third thing, late Pope talked about was selfless leadership to our people. And that is where now I want to bring in the leadership of this parish and that message of the late Pope. Leadership that is transparent, accountable to the people you lead, to Christians. Even at national level. Then, even the other day, his last message was to have peace in the world and even to address the Middle East crisis.
Atongo yangia lama ende na utumangethi ya kimeto wagi kuchapo Francis Nievo President William Ruto ula watakana uni wasu munene kwinthi onthe na muno kwindini ya kikatoliki na Kristo onthe na utongo iwasa muthi wanengalakanyo nzio kwinthi no yonthe na utongo iwa kutata kuonia ine alavinyie na mungamo wake wake Kristo uvikite kana kukita mamilioni maene nthi onthe. Na kiula una munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua nthini wa utumani wake watakanasa muthi watia nyene nthini wa kanisa wa Katoliki na ethi tulaini nwambe kululumilia mwikio wa Kikristo na kalilikano kwa kuthokea nthini ya Kenya na kumivoya mavinda kauta. Utumane ungio kwanza ya mitandao ni wandongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ula watakanasa muthi Francis ya mundu wa kweva kwa na ena umundu mwingi na tuimeta kiku chake na usionthi ondheke kala kuwatia makinya make na muno chendeswe kwinja na lava thule.
Bwana utuhurumie.
Governor County ya Masaku mwandu wa Nyandeti nthini wa utumani wake na kiwetakana ni kimeto kinene kumwasiasa muthi Francis ula ikitui kinene cha mwikio wendo mugo na ndeki amevaka kuthukuma ene nthi onthe na visa kana mwikalo wake wa ile utongo ya nthi onthe kilelo ni cha ulau na kueleanwa na kendongo ya County ya Masaku mwandisi kameneka simbi mweta sa muthi Francis tawatio kuna munene wiyo munthi muthenyani wa kuambililia chumwani cha Pasaka na wewe wathimu munene kwake kukomana na sa muthi mwaka muthelu mwenye wanyanya matuku miongori nana na nthini utongoi wake asa muthi uvena wenyivyo mwingi na cheni cha mwikio mulumu. Thini oneni wake munini wa Governor County ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi ni wamenda atongoi vaile mbetane ukamba kweka ubwana kiuteti ateo kuthukuma kilelo ni cha kuete umwe na maendeo matonya utethia mwene nthi.
Doesn't send very good message. And you wish anytime I get up here, na familia sasa ni yangu mwingine sasa kwa wakati na sisi hivi kwa jamii But now it is difficult when even those members of the same party are fighting amongst themselves. This is not good. Ona Mosiela, there is a problem.
Kaundini ya Masaku, Nyeneta Waboni, Mutesia.